Hi guys, so if you can't uninstall Adobe Creative Cloud on Mac, then here is the fix. So what you have to do, you have to just go to this, click on this Apple icon and click on System Settings to open Settings. Now go to General and scroll down and find Login Item and Extensions. Click on it. And from here, just find Adobe Creative Cloud. In my case, it's not installed on my system. In your case, you will find it here. Just turn off allow in background. Enter your passcode if it is required. And once you have turned off, restart your system. And after the system restart, just click on Finders, Applications, and from there just drag and drop to the Adobe Creative Cloud to the trash to uninstall. Okay. So this is how you can uninstall it. This is the first method and it will work for sure. If it's still not working, then what you can do, you can just search Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool and click on the first search result, scroll down and find this section. Filter for macOS, click on download to download it and then run it and uninstall it. Okay, then also your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.